Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to transfer Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Let's dive into the world of Sweatcoin, a mobile application that has gained popularity for its innovative way of encouraging users to stay active and healthy. Sweatcoin does this by converting your physical activity, like walking or jogging, into a digital currency known as Sweatcoins. This approach not only motivates users to maintain a healthier lifestyle, but also rewards them with a currency that can be redeemed for various goods and services. However, many users are eager to find out if they can transfer these Sweatcoins into real money, specifically through PayPal. That's exactly what we are here to explore today. To start this process, the first essential step is to download the Sweatcoin app. It is readily available on both the Apple Store for iOS users and Google Play for those using Android devices. Once you have installed the app, simply follow the on-screen instructions to get everything set up. It's quite user-friendly, so you'll be all set in no time. For those who are new to Sweatcoin, here's a brief overview. The app is designed to motivate you to exercise by converting your steps and physical activities into a digital currency called Sweatcoins. The idea is to promote a healthier lifestyle by rewarding you for staying active. Now let's move on to the main question at hand. Can you transfer your Sweatcoin balance into your PayPal account? According to the Sweatcoin Help Center, as of now, it's not possible to directly cash out Sweatcoins to PayPal or any bank account. However, there are a few ways you can work around this limitation. One option is to use your Sweatcoins to purchase PayPal or Amazon vouchers, which are often available in their auctions. If you are an active member who invites many friends to join Sweatcoin, you might also see PayPal offers as part of the influencer marketplace. Now, let's head over to the Sweatcoin marketplace to explore some alternative methods for transferring your Sweatcoin balance to your PayPal account. In the marketplace, you can buy and sell Sweatcoins. Some users opt to sell their Sweatcoins on crypto exchanges or through private transactions, as club members often connect to facilitate these trades. If you haven't already, you might want to sign up on a platform like Sweatcoin. This is a crypto exchange where you can trade your earned sweat tokens. Creating an account is straightforward, and once done, you'll be ready to trade. Sweatcoin is one of the early adopter exchanges that allow trading of Sweatcoins to USD and Euros. Additionally, you can sell your Sweatcoins on KuCoin, another platform that integrates well with PayPal. Once you're on this platform, you'll need to link your PayPal account to Sweatcoin. This step is crucial for ensuring seamless integration between the two platforms. After you've linked the accounts, you'll receive notifications of incoming transfers from Sweatcoin to your PayPal account once they are successfully integrated. This process allows you to indirectly transfer your Sweatcoins to PayPal, albeit through a series of steps. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to transferring Sweatcoin money to PayPal through alternative means. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to transfer Sweatcoin money to PayPal. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.